Relief meals are shipped in crates. A crate holds 5 meals, or 10 meals, or 20 meals. We need to deliver exactly 95 meals. The question is the least number of crates we can use, not the most meals, the fewest crates. Pause the video. Try it before I show the trick. Here is one hint. Start with the biggest crate. First, watch a slow way. What if we only used the small 5-meal crates? 95 divided by 5 is 19. That is 19 crates, way too many, so small crates are wasteful. Now the smart move. Take the biggest first. How many 20 crates fit under 95? 4 of them make 80. A fifth would make 100. That is too far, so we keep 4 big crates. We have reached 80. We still need 15 more. The next size down is 10. One 10 crate brings us to 90. Now we need just 5 more. The smallest crate is 5. One 5 crate brings us to exactly 95. Count the crates. 4 plus 1 plus 1. That is 6 crates. And notice something. 95 ends in a 5. The 10 and 20 crates only make numbers ending in 0, so you can never avoid at least one small 5 crate. Why does biggest first always win? Watch what happens if we trade down. Take one 20 crate. Swap it for the same meals in smaller crates. 120 equals 2 10 crates. That is 1 extra crate. Or 120 equals 4 5 crates. That is 3 extra crates. Trading a big box for small boxes only ever adds boxes. So when the sizes nest, each one a clean multiple of the last, bigger is always better. Greedy cannot be beaten. So here is the move. Biggest first, then fill the gap with the next size down. An odd ending forces a small crate. 4 20 crates, 1 10, and 1 5. 6 crates to deliver exactly 95 meals. This is the take the biggest first rule. If you need the fewest whole boxes to make an exact total, and the box sizes nest so each one divides the next, then take as many of the biggest as fit, then the next size down, all the way to the smallest. Look for the words least number of boxes, coins, or bills to make an exact amount, with a few fixed sizes. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.